Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Ankita. Today I am diving into the world of workwear kurtas for women. Whether you're looking for something comfortable, stylish or versatile for the office, I've got you covered. Here's a quick look at some of my favorite kurta styles for the office. From classic stripes and checks to vibrant yet subtle prints, there's something for every taste and professional setting. So let's get started. When choosing a kurta for work, there are a few key factors to keep in mind. First, consider the fabric. Cotton and linen are breathable and perfect for long hours. Also, some outfits just scream workwear, like this pure cotton checks kurta with trousers from Anouk. The set consists of this collared kurta with buttons in front that can be opened. The kurta also has pockets and the trousers have this striped thread work. Overall, it's a very work appropriate outfit and looks very smart, and the fabric is very comfortable. And don't forget about footwear. Comfortable flats or low heels are perfect for completing your work ensemble. I'm wearing a pair of comfortable nude block heels. Accessories can make or break your outfit, so choose wisely. Opt for delicate jewelry like stud earrings or a simple bracelet. I have styled it with this Daniel Wellington watch and a bracelet, a dainty necklace with a pendant and small hoop earrings. A sleek handbag or a tote is not only practical but also adds a touch of sophistication. I'm carrying this black bag to complete the look. There are multiple ways in which you can reuse this outfit. You can reuse the pieces separately. Pair the kurta like a jacket with your jeans and top. Reuse the pants with any solid black kurta. So you do not need to restrict it and you do not need to keep it only for office. For look number 2, I have another checks kurta from Tavi. It's a cotton linen Kastuti tribe kurta. It has black thread work and a V neckline. It also has these maroon borders at the ends of the sleeves, and I have paired it with simple black leggings. Pair your kurta with tailored pants or leggings for a streamlined look. Since I'm styling it for office, for accessories, I'm going to wear a watch, a tribal necklace and these simple round earrings. Adding a light scarf or a statement necklace can elevate your outfit without being too flashy. If you feel like the necklace is too much, you can of course skip it. I feel this necklace is complementing the outfit really well and it's not over the top. I'm going to wear simple maroon and black heels and also carry this maroon and black handbag to complete the look. Let me know what you think about this outfit. I absolutely love it, and let me know if you will wear something like this to office. Now remember this striped kurta? This was part of my Rakhi lookbook. If you haven't watched it, I'll link it above. Please do check it out. So the set by Anu consists of a straight kurta, plain black trousers and a printed dupatta. A straight cut or A-line kurta provides a professional look while ensuring comfort. The kurta has minimal embroidery in front and a round neckline, and something like this will also be perfect for office. I'm just going to change the accessories to make it more work appropriate. Like I'm wearing a silver watch, a pure silver necklace from my jewelry store and small studs. So like I was mentioning, you do not need to keep your workwear and your casual wear separately. You can definitely merge the two, mix and match and play around to create new outfits. Just change the accessories to suit the occasion. Coming to the dupatta, you can either carry the dupatta on one side like this or take it around your neck and secure it with a belt. For bag, I have two options. This Ikat bag from Zook. This is a very nice bag that can hold your laptop, and it's a very functional office bag that works really well with Indian wear. Or you can just carry a simple black bag that works with everything. I'm wearing simple black shoes to complete the look. Also, pay attention to the design. Subtle prints, solid colors, and minimal embroidery are ideal for a polished appearance. Now coming to subtle prints, I have this pure cotton kurta with trousers and dupatta. from a brand called Ode by House of Patodi. It's maroon in color. This one is a very modest option. So the kurta has a floral print. It has 3/4 sleeves and it's cotton, so it's very comfortable, and the trousers are chevron printed. It comes with a beautiful dupatta, and I'm just going to carry it on one side. For accessories, I'm just going to wear a silver watch and these pure silver hoops, and that is it. Wearing my gunmetal block heels, and will carry this maroon bag from High Design to complete the look. Finally, I have this white kurta set from Libas, and I have shared this in my previous video as well. It consists of this beautiful printed kurta with lace details, a pair of printed pants and a dupatta. I had paired it up with big jhumkas to make it more festive. Now for office, I'm just going to pair it with simple accessories. So I'm just going to wear my Casio watch and small earrings, and that is it. We'll drape the dupatta on one side. I'm wearing a pair of off-white heels and will carry this off-white bag to complete the look. So that is it. This is the finished look. You can check out my previous video to see how I have styled this outfit in a more festive way. I'll link it above. These are all the workwear kurtas that I wanted to share in this video. Let me know if you want a part 2 where I can share more tips on the fabric, accessories or maintenance of your workwear kurtas. Also, I can share a few options that you can keep, like your workwear uniforms. And when you have absolutely nothing to wear, you can always go back to those and they will save you a lot of time and effort. Let me know if you want that video. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please do check out other videos on my channel and share my videos with your friends and family. It will really help me a lot. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.